Send down the rain, O Lord Most High, like in the time of Elijah. Selah. Send down the rain, early and late rain. Send down your showers, O Lord, we pray thee. Send down the rain, early and late rain. Send down your showers, fortify, sanctify us. Send down the rain, early and late rain. Send down your showers, O Lord, we pray thee. Send down the rain, early and late rain. Send down your power, fortify, sanctify us. Beyond every powers, propaganda and all illusions is the power of the Most High, conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah. Age to age is the same, reward sure sending the showers. In the time of Elijah, yes, he sent down the rain. Lay your treasures, O man, where no devourers can devour. Where no plunderer can plunder, precious things given to you by the Lord. Heaven and earth may pass away, the people and all possessions, yes, but the work of the Lord sustaining us shall never pass away. Send down the rain, early one and late rain, sure. Send down your showers, O Lord, we pray thee. Send down the rain, early and late rain. Send down your power, fortify, sanctify us. Don't place yourself serving man-made idols. Seek the wisdom and salvation from the source, the Lord Most High. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God. This Word became flesh to dwell among the men. Durable silver and gold, diamond and rubies belong to the Lord who gives us everything. Shattered and battered, many of us became kings. Without formal education, lowly ones became prophets. Send down the rain, early and late rain. Send down your showers, oh Lord, we pray thee. Send down the rain, early and late rain. Send down your shower, fortify, sanctify us. Ready? Send down the rain, early and late rain. Send down your showers, O Lord, we pray thee.